Hi everyone, this is Sai Pranindra from SQL School and I would be your trainer for this entire course Azure Data Engineer. I will be providing you the practical classes with complete scenario based touch on every example throughout my course. It's my promise. Let's get started. Let's understand the details about our very useful job oriented training program. Azure Data Engineer is a trending job role, and this particular job role mainly focus on design, building, and managing scalable, meaning huge databases, big data. Very simple, straightforward process. As a data engineer, we will be learning how to read data from various sources like files, websites, forms, social media, databases, and also from other sources like ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning ERP systems. We read data from various data sources and apply something called ETL, extract, transform, load, ETL process, also called mashup process, data mashup, and then apply the required formulas, nice user interface options, particular process, policies, load the data into something called data warehouse. This data warehouse, DWH, is mainly used to store huge volumes of data, big data. From data warehouse comes the analysis, reporting, data mining, and other things. So as a data engineer, we are involved in the green colored options on my screen. ETL and data warehouse. Okay, I will be teaching you practically all these items, keeping in mind our day-to-day job roles as a data engineer. Right from data ingestion, means reading the data and writing it to the warehouse, to development activities of ETL and ELT, transformations. I'll be teaching you from scratch Python. We are not into Python programming, but we need to learn the required Python scripting for our day-to-day job work. I will be teaching you practically the required Python for learning PySpark, Spark SQL, something called medallion architecture, Spark declarative pipelines, jobs, Unity catalog, data factory, Synapse, data lake, and lot of additional on-job concepts with one real-time project for Databricks and one more real-time project for data factory. So total two important projects part of the main course, that is Azure Data Engineer, the main module. No doubt my classes will be smooth, straight, step by step with good number of examples. No second thought about it. In my training classes, I will be teaching you cloud computing, big data processing, ETL operations, data warehouse, IoT, Internet of Things and data streaming activities, data analytics, and machine learning ML operations from data engineering side, including AI, Gen AI components from data engineer perspective. Yes, our resume is not complete without these important keywords. Our knowledge is not complete without the important scenario-based examples based on these keywords. So there comes my main advantage of my classes. In our training classes, in our data engineering, I will be teaching you the end-to-end implementations on Azure SQL database, Azure Data Factory, Databricks, Synapse, Stream Analytics, Key Vaults, Active Directory, also called Microsoft Entra, Logic App, Azure Functions, and lot of test additional concepts. And I divided the entire data engineering course into three plans. Plan A for attendees who are already aware of Microsoft SQL and wanted to directly go for data engineering. They need to spend 7 weeks with me for my classes and examples with daily assignments, weekly use case scenarios, case studies. If someone is new to database, or someone wanted to get a warm up, the warmth on Microsoft SQL database with latest keywords and latest syntaxes, you prefer to go for plan B. Microsoft SQL queries, subqueries, CTE, common table expressions, and query tuning with complete Azure Data Engineer, the main course. And you need to give me 10 weeks time to train you with complete examples and project work. Either plan A or plan B, you have two projects, one for data factory, one for Databricks. Either plan A or plan B, two projects. And if it is plan C, especially for working professionals with good amount of experience, they can opt for plan C. They have an extra project on Azure with Power BI. Plan C is for total of 14 weeks. In Plan C, we have SQL with Azure 2 projects, SQL with Power BI and Azure one more project. Total 3 projects. I'll be explaining you with complete solution and also project FAQs like what we did in the project, what are the challenges you faced in the project, what kind of tools we used in the project, what CI/CD process you followed in the project, and what are the techniques you followed in the project for aggregated loads, incremental loads, upsert activities, medallion, unity catalog, etc. Everything I am here to provide you the complete course with either plan A or B or C. My care is same and I am always here to guide you during and after the course. I request you to kindly refer to the PDF course curriculum and do let me know for doubts and clarifications. I am always available for you for your learning and your upskill activities. You can reach me during and after the course also. You can opt for plan B initially. You love my trainings, you love my examples, you find them useful at your job desk and accordingly move on to plan C, Power BI, the add-on, the difference concepts, amount of time. Choice is yours and we and my team at SQL School, we are here to serve you better day by day. In module 1, we are going to learn from scratch, right from the basics of SQL concepts, the latest and the new AI-based SQL activities from Microsoft. From scratch, we are going to learn the design concepts, normal forms, data types, queries, query tuning, subqueries, CTE, common table expressions, detail latest cursors, procedures, functions, triggers, synonyms, and also indexes, window functions, merge statement, and also use case scenarios for you to make you job ready. In module 2, I will be teaching you practically about the concepts of Azure Data Factory, with upset, incremental loads, aggregated loads, data flow, pipelines, and self-hosted IR, that is nothing but the on-premises data loads, local SQL Server to Azure migrations. I'll be teaching you the concept of pipeline optimizations, data flow optimizations, Synapse, serverless pools, Apache Spark pools, CDC, and SCD concepts with project work. In part 2 of Azure module, I will be teaching you the Databricks concepts in great detail with Python, PySpark, Spark SQL, Unity Catalog, Medallion Architecture, SDP, that is Spark declarative pipelines, jobs, widgets, as well as the concepts of Power BI integrations. I'll be teaching you Databricks with keywords, data lake, stream analytics, and data governance concepts with Azure Purview. I will be teaching you Power BI concepts from scratch for Plan C attendees. I'll be teaching you for Plan C attendees Power BI 7 different design tools and Power Query technology, DAX technology, AI Copilot technology. 7 tools, 3 technologies, including 2 hosting solutions, Power BI Cloud and Power BI Report Server. What more we need? I am here to beautify your resume in all possible aspects. I'm here to take care of your resume optimization on LinkedIn with my experience, my exposure, and also caution based activities. What cautions we need to take to boost up our LinkedIn profile. I'm here to reveal all possible secrets. Trust me. Yes, there are good number of secrets that we can easily get on to boost our profile over LinkedIn and other famous job portals online across the globe. See you there in my actual classes, either live online training or self-paced videos or in-house classroom training in my Hyderabad facility. Same care, same concern, same love towards my subject. Thank you so much. See you in my classes. Bye bye. Take care.